everybody, it's Maya. And
anything else?
And I can't make that little fast video that I was gonna do.
Oh no, you can do that tomorrow.
Yeah. The time that we're making this video is 1 o'clock in the morning.
Oh my god, it is. I didn't know it was that late.
Yeah.
Hold the camera. I'm gonna like hold the mattress with my head for a second and just freaking try to fix the bed and hope it won't break.
Wait, but I'm on it here. Well, look at it.
Yeah.
Look how good this works.
They'll never know my face. They'll never know who I am.
They'll never.
I'll be as mysterious as Batman by the end of this.
That's cryonic.
Oh my god.
That's cryonic.
No one can be Cry. Cry is Cry, no one else.
What about me?
Or Minx. You're not ever gonna be better than me. Oh, it broke under me again.
Well,
I feel so fat. No, okay, no.
Well,
No, just get back into place.
This is bad for you, ain't it?
You can't hold a freaking camera.
I cannot.
Okay, so what did you want to talk about?
I don't know. What should we talk about?
I deleted my Minecraft. It was an accident. I deleted the Minecraft. It was an accident, and it was like a month ago. Like a long month
We
ago.
had like all of our. Me and you met. You had Slenderman.
I still have the Slenderman game. Only I cry every time I play it.
Yeah. Did you ever find any children?
No, I never did. I'm not like do a swap
We're
in.
not talking to the audience.
We're having a civilized conversation. Almost as civilized as Dave Strider and Bro Strider have conversations.
Well,
Oh my god, who's your favorite Homestuck? Speaking of the Homestuck.
what about this?
The trolls, out of the girl trolls.
Out of the girl trolls.
Yeah.
Thackeray.
Thackeray?
Yeah.
Mine would be Terezi because she's Libra, like me, because I'm a Libra. So I'd have to pick her out of the boys. Oh, let me guess, Carcat.
No, I don't like Carcat, even though he is the Cancer symbol and I am Cancer. My favorite boy troll.
Yeah, fuck down here.
Shut up. Is Gambit, I guess. I hate him when he's in sober and I want to bash his head.
That's a little bit violent.
He kills people.
But that's like
He
seriously.
cut off Tabros' head.
But that's seriously violent. I will bite you.
Bit
Good.
bit my finger.
I did. I didn't regret it. Charlie.
Bye everybody, we have to end this video.